Chapter number 12, Flying with Farmer. What do you like to travel in? Have you been in any of these before? Do you like to travel, children? Okay, which vehicle you like to travel? Car, bus, boat, bike, train. Okay, circle the thing that which one you like to travel. Which vehicle you like to travel. Okay, now we can start our chapter. Anya's mother is packing. She is putting everyone's clothes in bags. One day, Anya's mother is packing her bag and she is putting everyone's clothes in bags. And then Anya asked, "Are we going somewhere, mother?" Anya asked to her mother, her mama, that are we going anywhere, somewhere else? Then mother explains, we are going to Mumbai. We are going to visit Uncle Hari. Mother said that we are going to Mumbai to visit Uncle Hari. The next morning, Anya is on an aeroplane. Aeroplane matlab viman. The next morning, Anya is on an aeroplane. Her parents and baby brother are with her. Anya's parents and baby brother also with her. They all have front seat. Anya has window seat. They all are sitting on the front seat and Anya has window seat. We can see from this picture we can see that Anya is sitting near to the window seat and her baby brother and mother is sitting near to her. Her father, Gagan, is a pilot. Her father is a pilot. He shows her the cockpit. It is the place where the two pilots sit. Her father shows that cockpit. It is the place where the two pilots will sit. The pilots have white uniform. Which uniform they were wearing? White uniform. Pilots will wear white uniform. Then Anya sees an air hostess wearing a pink uniform. After that, Anya sees the air hostess wearing pink uniform. Air hostess means the lady who cares for people on an aeroplane. They work in an aeroplane. We can see the picture of air hostess here. This is air hostess. The pilot says they are ready to take off. Pilots said that the plane is ready to take off. Soon the plane is in the air. They are flying high in the sky. Anya is looking out of the window. When the plane started flying, Anya is looking out of the window. She can see houses and trees. They look so small. She can see the sun setting. Anya can also see the clouds. Anya can see the houses and trees, but houses and trees are very small. And she can see the sun setting and Anya can see the clouds. The pilot says they are reaching Mumbai. Pilot says that they are reaching Mumbai. Soon the aeroplane lands and moves on the runway. When it finally stops moving, all the people get up to go out. They wait for their turn. Finally, when it stops moving, all the people get up to go out. They wait for their turn. Anya and her family come outside the airport. Uncle Hari is waiting for them. Anya and her family come outside from the airport and Uncle Hari is waiting for them. He is happy to see them. He has a big car to take them home. Anya and her brother look at the city of Mumbai through the car windows. Anya's Uncle Hari brought a big car to take them home. Then Anya and her brother look at the city of Mumbai through the car windows. Okay, now our chapter is over. Now we can move to the activity. First one, choose the right word to complete the sentence. Choose the right word to complete the sentence. First one, Anya has a big brother or baby brother. Anya has a baby brother. The next one, the pilots wear a which uniform? White or brown uniform? They will wear white uniform. The pilots wear a white uniform. The next one, when the plane takes off, it rises up in the air. When the plane takes off, it will rise up in the air. The next activity, answer each questions in a sentence. You have to answer questions in a sentence. Where do the pilot sits? The pilot sits in a cockpit. The next one, name 4 things that Anya can see from the window. What all things Anya seen in this story? From the window, she had saw trees, houses, clouds and sunset. Where does Uncle Harry live? Uncle Harry lives in a Mumbai. Okay, next activity. When do you think it is safe for people to get up from their seats in an aeroplane? Which time they have to get up? When it finally stops moving. When it finally stops moving, it is safe for people to get up from their seats in an aeroplane. Then second one, why did Uncle Harry bring a big car? He bring a big car for taking Anya's family to his house. Okay, now we can move to the poem. Take page number 103. I saw a ship a-sailing. I saw a ship a-sailing. A-sailing, ship a-sailing matlab jalayatra. A sailing on the sea. And oh, it was all laden. Laden matlab laden. With lovely things for me. There were apples in the cabin and bananas in the hall. The spoons were made of silver and the cups were made of gold. Here we can see the picture. Apples were there, bananas were there and spoons were there, and spoons were made of silver and the cups were made of gold. I saw a ship a-sailing is by Anonymous. I saw a ship a-sailing on the sea, and oh, it was all laden with lovely things for me. There were apples in the cabin and bananas in the hold. The spoons were made of silver and the cups were made of gold. Okay, here one activity is there. In the word box, find names of 8 things that can be found in the kitchen. Look from left to right and top to bottom. You have to find names 8 things that you can found in the kitchen. One is done. Spoons. Like that you have to draw like this which all the things we can found in the kitchen. Okay children, now our chapter number 12 is over. Read the chapter and learn all the activities and write in your notebook. Thank you children. Have a nice day.